In this video, we will go over the step-by-step instructions for installing new LED lights for the low beams in this 2020 Chevy Colorado. We will start under the hood. The driver's side low beam is easy to see and access. You can see the black dust cover here, and we'll get back to that side later in the video. We will start the installation on the passenger side, where you can see two plastic covers that will need to be removed first. For you watching this, you'll probably not have to remove the top cover. You can pull it back to gain access to the lower cover. You'll need to loosen the lower cover, and to do that, you need to pry free this plastic locking tab. Pry the middle out first, and then you can pry out the base. Now you can access the low beam by pulling back the plastic covers. For the video, we're going to remove this top cover. To remove the cover, you need to remove the T20 torque screw and the plastic locking tab. This tab will come out the same as the lower one. Pull the middle, and then the base will come out. You can then slide the cover towards the front of the car to free it. You can see here where the clip held together both pieces. You can now peel back the lower cover to easily access the low beam bulb. Begin by turning the dust cover counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. When you pull it out, notice the marking on the top. This will help line it up when you have to reinstall it. To pull the bulb out, start by unplugging the wire connector. Push the tab on the bulb down with your thumb, and then you can pull the wire connectors apart. Next, reach the bulb and turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. You will then be able to pull the bulb straight out. And now that we have the bulb out, let's compare it to the new LED bulb from Ala Lighting. You can see that they are different with the driver attached to the LED. But if we look closer, you can see the LED and the halogen have the exact same base and plug, making for an easy plug-and-play fit. Also notice the LED chip and the halogen filament are in the exact same spot, meaning this bulb was designed to have maximum light output while still being safe for other drivers. Let's install the bulb. For proper installation, this bulb will need to be installed with the LED chips facing out to the left and right, and the wire out the back will hang directly down at the 6 o'clock position. To install the bulb, you will first need to line up the locking tabs with the slots in the housing. You can see the rectangle tab at the top will align with the rectangle slot that is at the top of the housing. Insert the bulb and turn it clockwise until it is locked. You can see that the bulb is properly aligned, but if you find that you need to adjust the bulb, adjusting the beam angle is easy. Remove the bulb from the housing, and while holding the chuck in one hand, you can push and turn the bulb in the base, much like you would open a pill bottle. You also don't have to remove the bulb from the housing. You can simply push and turn the bulb while it's still installed. Now that you have it properly aligned, you need to plug the wire connectors in. Line up the two connectors and push them together until it clicks. You can then feed the LED driver and any extra wires into the housing. Before you go any further, it's a good idea to test the bulb to make sure it all works. It lights, and it's bright. You can see the difference in brightness and color when we shine the light on the wall. The stock halogen is on the left, and the new LED is on the right. To finish this side, we need to reinstall the dust cover. To replace the cover, line up that triangle mark so when you rotate the cover to tighten it, the mark will be at the top. You can now put back the plastic covers. Start with the lower cover. Insert the plastic locking clip with the middle still pulled up. Push the middle in to lock it. For the top cover, Line up the holes and slide it back under the piece where you had removed it. Replace the locking tab and push in the middle. Then replace the torque screw. We can now move on to do the other side. This side has no extra covers, so we'll go right to removing the dust cover. Just like before, turn the cover counterclockwise and remove it. Use your flat tool to unplug the wire connector and turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it and remove it. Replace with the new LED. Line up the tabs and insert the bulb. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Check the orientation to be sure it's lined up correctly and adjust if needed. Connect the wire connection and test it to be sure it works. Feed any remaining wires in the driver into the housing and replace the dust cover. Now let's look at what the standard halogen looks like compared to the new LED. We set up a light meter to measure the brightness and color. The halogen came in at 388 lux with a color temperature of 3075 Kelvin. The LED was more than 4 times brighter, coming in at 1670 lux with a bright white temperature of 6726 Kelvin. And when we point them at the wall, you can see the LED has a clear cutoff line, making this bulb not only much brighter, but also safe for other drivers.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.